Okay, so now for rice. Got the rice envelope, so this is probably my acceptance. Future rice owl. I'm down for it. Let's stop. Pause. And I cut through what's inside. Doo doo doo. Rice University. Doo doo. Boop. Okay. Congratulations on your acceptance to Rice. You're one of a very distinctive group of extremely talented students chosen to become a Rice Owl. Every student offered admission to Rice comes with individual experiences, talents, and ideas to weave into the tapestry of the Rice community. Very fitting. This is technically a Carnegie Mellon tapestry. Okay, so wow. Let me just take this out real quick. The admission letter. Oh, just like Harvard. What? What? That's crazy. That makes me wonder what other universities have this. Wow. Nice. Okay. Selfie. Selfie time. Oh! Nigel was telling me about this. They usually give you a reason for why you got in. And for Nigel, it's his childlike spirit. I'm on Imran. We can't wait to see how your excitement to cook up solutions to global challenges will impact the rice community. Congrats on your acceptance. And they said cook up because one of my supplementals was talking about their open lab, which they called the kitchen. And so I said, I'd love to cook up something in that kitchen, which is their open lab. And it's so cool. You guys have to see it if you ever visit. Insider's guide. It's not insiders anymore because I'm showing it on this video. Interesting. I'll show this more depth when we look at it later. And lastly, enrollment steps. Are these stickers?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, they have tons of stickers. Oh, these all look so nice,
Can
too.
give it to Nigel.
Nigel already has this, probably.
Can have more.
Anything in here? Oh my god, this is so cool. Rice did not... Wow, jeez, that's so cool. Okay, alright, let's take a picture now.